In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Turo promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and search for Turo promo code. Right here, search for this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. And for example, if I want to get this $25 discount, all I have to do is select show coupon code right here, and this is the discount code that I can apply on my next purchase in order to get that discount. Also, we have another website right here that we can use. For example, I recommend you this one, which is simplycodes.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one with 16% off my next purchase, all I have to do is select copy code. And this is the discount code that I can apply on my next purchase in order to get that discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.